Today I will show you how to paint rocks underwater. Okay, this is my finished artwork. First, putting light color on the background. Okay, start to draw rocks. And then I use gel pen brush to paint rocks. Okay, and then draw two groups of the rocks because each group will have different colors. Okay, then putting the color on the rock. The color that I put is light brown. It will look like this. And then the next group I will put dark gray color. Bring the rock. And then next I will put white cover the rock layers. It's supposed to be the water. After that I will put the rock pattern. To do that, next I will set the rock layer to be alpha lock. And then select the rock pattern. Then I will paint it. And then it will look like this. And then next I will put water on the top. I use water brush. And then next I will put shadow on the rocks. Actually under the rocks. And then putting more rocks. And then adding texture under the rocks. And I'm looking for the best option so it will look realistic. Yeah, it's done.